Hey everyone, my name is Karen.
My name is Ashley.
And you're watching Sissa Entertainment.
Today we're going to be dancing to African Woman by Roberto.
As you guys know, there's a lot going on in this world and we want to continue to embrace our culture. So that's why today we're dancing to African Woman.
Woo!
It's brotherhood thing. Oh no no no. Oh no no no. My name is Roberto. Bless that African woman. Rich skin tone my woman. True African proud woman. Rise up African woman. Definition of a partner. Grind so hard she a hustler. You think you're the head of the house, but she a backbone of the whole plan. Everything so nice, body shape so fine. Wise enough to be a ruler. This is Africa and I'm so blessed. I drink water straight from Zambezi. Oh yeah, these women are so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, African woman rocks. An African woman rocks. African woman rocks. An African woman rocks.
Alright, about now make I tell you about my type of girl. Alright, African girl, special type of girl. Listen, she's my chikanda, Lumanda. The girl I wanna turn into an abanda. But me the bama yes I come a bacana. Kataya la liga si abana. She's so fine, fine like the river Nile. Rich skin tone like a chocolate. Mama Africa, you're immaculate. From Ghana to Lagos, Osaka to Nairobi, Tanzania to the Pearl of Africa. This is Africa and
I'm so blessed. I drink water straight from Zambezi. Oh yeah, these women are so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, African woman rocks. An African woman rocks. African woman rocks. An African woman rocks. Bless that African woman. Rich skin tone my woman. True African proud woman. Rise up African woman. Definition of a partner. Grind so hard she a hustler. You think you're the head of the house, but she a backbone of the whole